Hey, it's Julie Zemelis from 365 Kona. I'm here at the Lani Bay Resort, and we're here because in a few short months, this isn't going to be called this anymore. In fact, after 16 months, it's not going to be called anything while they shut it down and turn it into an Auberge-owned resort, which will make it all very swanky. So we're here today filming what is now happening in July of 2018, because it's not going to look like this anymore. So this is the posterity trip of looking at the hotel before it completely gets renovated forever. Aloha! Hey, so if you love the Lani, you'll know there's three things that make this place really special. One is they have the baby turtles that grow up here in that fish pond that they pull in from Oahu Sea Park and release every 4th of July. And then there's the koi out in front of the entrance, hundreds of little beautiful fish. And look at this, 1970s flooring. Hey, so one of the cool things about the Lani is this inside atrium with the fish pond, and they're going to actually take all of this out and they're going to turn this into an open area for basically meeting space, they call it. And I envision probably the way the lobbies are in New York City, where they have really cool like meeting spaces. So that's what's going to happen to this space, and so we're saying goodbye to all those beautiful water features. Aloha, hey, it's Julie Zemelis from 365 Kona, and today I have Don Franzen, who has actually been watching my vlog for almost the whole time in 8 years, and he happens to be here at the Lani, and he has been coming here for 18 years so far. And so we wanted to ask him how he feels about the renovation that's going to come up here in October. So Don, 18 years. What is your initial, like, why do you come here all the time, and what do you love about this property?
So, the property is like such a family place, and in the sense of it's like Ohana family. So many people come here, and they come and they keep coming back. And so like over the 18 years, I've seen people's kids go to teenagers, you know, and talking to them, and people's lives change. It's just such an experience because you come here and you get the true feeling of Hawaii. You have the fish ponds on the full moon. Saturday night, Danny does the twilight down in the cabin, which is like, it's like going to Grandma and Grandpa's house, you know, with the music out on the porch, and just the feeling of Ohana that you get with that. And then of course the people that work here. I've known people come in and they retire. I know their kids now that have come in and they're working here, and their mom and dad are retired, but the family is still working here. So you just get that sense of loyalty, family, and a Hawaiian ohana that just makes you feel good.
So we're going to continue to show you the rest of the hotel the way it is now in 2018. And with what Don was saying, hey, we're looking forward to see what they are going to be doing in the next few months. Okay, talk to you soon. So we say aloha a little early to the Lani Bay Hotel, but the cool thing is that if you really want to see what they have up their sleeves in terms of the renovation, go to their website, and they have schematics about what they're going to do for the restoration, renovation, and bringing it back to Hawaii in 16 months after October of 2018. So we're hoping the best for 2020, and still one of the most beautiful places to come in Hawaii. Aloha!